अब देखें, look at page 14 of your petition. That the following are major principal laws regulating speech in Pakistan. Then you mention press council, PEMRA, etc., censorship of film rules, contempt, defamation, official secrets act, etc., and goes up to 11 laws. So you should have never agreed to the clubbing of the two petitions. Actually, you're both saying the same thing, but from two different perspectives. वैसे हैदर साहब, आपके लिए मुफ्त मशवरा है, आइंदा अपने क्लाइंट से मुलाकात कर लिया करें. मतलब ये जनरल बात है, आज की बात नहीं है. कैसी? हाँ, उनका भी कसूर है. ये देखिए, ये चौधरी साहब ने आपको जबरदस्ती इसमें ज्वाइन कर दिया. जी क्या चले. तो दिस इज डाउटफुल. और कोई पिटिशन है? आपकी पिटिशन का नंबर क्या है?
Then that is CP 4 of 2024.
अच्छा, योर इज 4 एज वेल, इंसिडेंटली 2024.
जी सर.
देखिए, वो पहला वाला 4 2021 का फैसला हो जाता है तो शायद आप खड़े नहीं होते हमारे सामने.
सर
ठीक है. अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट इज योर ग्रीवियंस? कैन वी नाउ नैरो इट ऑल डाउन? And what sort of order are you looking?
Sir, pursuant to your Lordship's last order, first, if I may clarify who I'm appearing for. One is for the Press Association of the Supreme Court and Saqib Bashir on behalf of the Islamabad High Court Journalist Association. Their grievances in relation to the FIA inquiry that was initiated and the notices that were done and the JIT that was formed. The others pursuant to the observations of your Lordships on the last date relating to the earlier suo motu case number 4. उसमें your Lordship will recall पुलिस से रिपोर्ट मंगवाई गई थी और FIA से, and your Lordship had asked me to see if those reporters were journalists were wanted to be represented. I am currently representing Mr. Absar Alam, Mr. Matiullah Jan and Mr. Imran Shafkat. In Mr. Matiullah Jan and Mr. Absar Alam's cases are quite similar in as much as one was kidnapped, the other was shot, and the police investigation is in question. The other case of Imran Shafkat, that is a case of the FIA registering an FIR against him. So that basically ties into...
No, what is the allegation there?
My lord, I have to, right now, I don't have his complete case record with me. I've not been able to get it. I talked to him day before yesterday, and his case record has not come available.
No, but you would know the nature of the FIR. What is it?
Sir, वो PICA के offenses थे, sir.
When was this? Recently,
This FIR was registered on 7th of August 2021.
Regarding?
My lord, certain offences were alleged under PICA and Penal Code. Mr. Imran
ये हुकूमत किसकी थी?
It was it was Mr. Imran Khan's government, sir.
अच्छा, okay.
And so he runs his program on
So
YouTube.
is it case pending against him? It's closed?
Sir,
What is
in this case, challan has been filed before the trial court.
saying what? Exonerating or implicating him or what?
Implicating him
For?
my lord, for these offences under
Say,
section.
what is the nature of the offense? Don't quote us a section, say he did this.
My lord, offences actually अपने vlogs के अंदर उन्होंने कहा कि जी आपने कुछ रियासती
आपको जरा
इदारों और ओहदेदारों के बारे
आपको
में
मैं करेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ. Vlog.
I find it hard to pronounce. I know what it is, but I just find it hard to. Blog is easier, but blog is something just doesn't come.
जी चलें.
जी.
नहीं, what is the nature of the thing?
Sir,
ये पूछ लेना, पूरी FIR आपके पीछे खड़ी है ना।
जी जी, नहीं ये मेरे सामने ये FIR भी है। सो उन्होंने कुछ अपने जो ब्लॉग के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम किए जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ रियासती इदारों और ओहदेदार और उनके बारे में कुछ
this is what you're referring to?
My lord, I'm referring to CMA 2488।
नहीं, ये जो अभी फाइल कर रहे हैं आप,
नहीं वो तो 2490 है,
ये नंबर्स इस पे नहीं,
ये 2488
2490
2488 please take up 2488
ये
2488 and if you may kindly turn to page 11।
नहीं देखिए, हम सीधी साधा आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, हम भी जानते हैं FIRs कैसी होती हैं। कोई सब्सटैंशियल ऑफेंस है या बस ऐसी तंग करने वाला ऑफेंस है?
My lord, in all fairness,
But you're not responsible. Why are you so hesitant?
नहीं, I'm not। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि
it was a different age, it was a different government, but people don't remember history. They want only today. They don't want to remember yesterday, and they don't want to plan for the future.
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं इसके अंदर जिसको ये कहा जाए कि सेक्शन 11
हो सकता है
13 and 20 के जो ऑफेंस जो
आप पूछ लें FIR से, are they interested in pursuing this? 3 साल तो गुजार लिए, 21, 22, 23, 24।
My lord,
or you can keep it pending to pull his chain whenever you want to.
No.
If that's your objective.
No, it can't be.
It can't be or it isn't.
It isn't and it can't be.
It can't be, I can say, but for you.
It isn't either, sir.
Ji?
It isn't either. Now that because the challan is before the trial court, if he moves an application or two,
he won't move anything. I'm asking the state.
Ji.
Is it a criminal offense Mr. Imran Shafkat has committed? I'm not asking Mr. Imran Shafkat. I'm asking the state.
My lord, in my opinion, no.
So, is the FIA withdrawing the case?
My lord, FIA at the moment now, because they have...
They come under you.
They'll move an application before the trial court, sir.
सलाउद्दीन साहब, आपने पिटीशन फाइल की और केस ही खत्म हो गया।
अभी तो आज ही बचा लेता मैं भाई। She's very kind.
Such quick relief, very few people get.
But what I'll be requesting for the main petitioner in my case is, sir, that the parameters of FIA's jurisdiction.
Yeah, we are actually, that's where we wanted to go to.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now, can we go to there?
And
who's this lady standing next to you? नहीं, आपके साथ हैं?
No, I believe she has her own petition.
अच्छा. Who is she?
Mayor, I'm a journalist based in Karachi. I filed a petition on the 14th of February.
What do you want?
It's related to the JIT, the FIA notices, coercive action by the FIA.
Okay. Then you are well represented by Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed.
If I may, I'm appearing in person. My petition is pending before the committee. It was filed on the 14th of February.
Are you saying anything different to
I
what?
am.
So can you just wait a second?
Yes.
At least hear the question. Is it he is advocating the same thing, Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed?